YouTube! Hello fellow brew tubers, hope you're all well. Just a quick update on the beer that I made the other day. You may have saw it on the previous video. I did mess it up. However, I think I've rescued it. The following day I cooled it down and I whacked in some yeast. The original gravity was 1044, should have been 1059. So it's either because I messed up the mash temp or it's because of the leakage with the water chiller. Either way, I think it's okay. It's still beer and I'm still gonna drink it. I've been shopping. Just wanted to show you this. This is my fermentation fridge. Fermentation fridge. Finally, I can control the temperature of my fermentation. So I was on eBay the other day looking for fridges and I saw a guy was selling this local. This is a Curry's Essential fridge. The guy was renovating his house and he claims to have used this for only 3 months and it's absolutely spotless. I cleaned it up and it's as good as new. It's as good as new and I got a really good price for it, so I'm really happy with that. This here, I know a lot of you guys use the ITC-1000, but I'm no electrician and I've taken a lazy route. This here, as you see there, is a plug and play thermostat. It's the ITC-308 made by Inkbird and it does the job and it's brilliant. I'm really happy with it. So for people that don't know, this controls the temperature of the fridge here. So I've put that to 19 degrees, which is the perfect amount I needed to ferment my beer. So I've set the differential here of 0.5. So what happens when that goes to 19.5? The cooling light will come on, and here we've got the 2 plugs. I'll just show you what it looks like. So here you put in your heating, and here you put in your fridge and cooling. And as I was saying, when that goes to 19.5, switches on the fridge, brings it right down to 19 degrees, the fridge turns off. When it goes to 18.5, turns on the heater, and again brings it up to 19 degrees. So this is how I'm going to regulate my fermentation temperature. And like I say, I really recommend this. Anyone else who's lazy, you can pick this up between £25–30 on the internet, and it does the job. So if we open her up, there's the beer that I brewed the other day. It's stopped bubbling now and I've whacked in my dry hops the other day. Should be finished by Monday, Tuesday I reckon. And just to show you the temperature of the fridge. So there you go, 19 degrees. So I had to drill 2 holes here. One here is for the 45 watt tube heater, and the other hole is for the probe here, which I've just taped to the bucket. This is just one of those jiffy bags, just to keep it insulated, and hopefully the probe is taking the temperature of the actual beer. I know a lot of guys put little fans in, and I will do that. I will upgrade it and put little computer fans in. But for now, it's doing the job. Fermenting 19 degrees and I'm really happy with that. So guys, if you haven't got one, highly recommend it.